It can be difficult to remember all of the things to look for when fact-checking a source for credibility. A couple of helpful acronyms that you might want to use are R.A.D.A.R and C.R.A.A.P. Here are what the letters stand for and why these elements are important. R stands for relevance. Is the information in the source actually relevant to your topic, and is the content helping to build a better understanding of the subject matter? Or was the headline a bit misleading and the information isn't actually related to what you were wanting to learn about after all? A stands for authority. Is the author or publishing body an expert in the area, and can this expertise be verified through posted credentials? These can often be found after the author's name or in the About section. It's important to remember that breaking news and stories that make the headlines are often written by journalists or bloggers who often lack the professional experience and expertise that is needed to provide the most objective and balanced analysis. D stands for date and is in the reference to the currency of the information. When was the last time you checked the date of a post that you shared on your timeline? Or have you seen a post that was recently shared, but you have already seen it over a year ago? While there are times where this may not be important, topics that involve medical research, scientific discoveries, or technological updates, currency will directly influence the credibility of the information shared. The second A stands for accuracy. This is about stepping back and evaluating the claims that are being made to make sure that the information is correct and accurate. For example, can this information be found on another credible website? Does the source include references or links to the references? Credible sources will include this information so the reader can easily verify the claims that are being made. The final R stands for rationale, or purpose, of why the information has been made available in the first place. Headlines, stories, and advertisements that show up in our newsfeed are not always easy to distinguish from non-commercial content. The next time you see a headline, ask yourself, why was this posted? Is it purely for informative purposes? Are there a lot of opinions included in the content? If so, maybe this is a post meant to persuade the reader of something, or perhaps to encourage the purchase of a product. So there you have it. There are many ways to evaluate information for credibility, and these are just a couple of tools that can be used. Have fun out there in the vast land of information. There's so much to discover and learn, but remember to keep your credibility radar up and don't take any crap. Thanks for watching.